Normal lang ba na malugi muna bago kumita sa investing? Or baka hindi mo lang talaga alam paano mag-invest ng tama? When you are investing, you are believing in the future of the company. Yes, there will be problems or setbacks along the way. Pero as long as hindi mo pa wini-withdraw ang investment mo, it is only paper loss. But if you think long term, as long as profitable ang business ng company, eventually, tataas din ang value ng investment mo sa company. Jollibee for example, kung invested ka since pandemic up to now, kumita ka na ng higit 100% interest. Hindi pa kasama ang dividend. Kapatid, educated investing plus patience. That is the key.